people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. In today's video I want to show you how I make my coffee sugar whitening scrub. This is a very amazing and very effective scrub that will help brighten up your complexion. This scrub is made with natural ingredients. It contains all fruit acid, rice powder, oat powder, coffee, sugar cane, brown powder, sugar. This is an amazing scrub, and I'm going to show you how I go about it, and also the whitening additive I'm going to be adding to it. This is an amazing scrub, so you need to stay tuned and watch the video to the end. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. You subscribing kind of encourage and also motivate me to put out more videos, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Thank you so much for those of you that have already subscribed, and the new one that are joining in. You're welcome to the family. Thank you so much. Let's start. I might not be talking much or explaining in details about this. Sugar scrub, as we know, is a good exfoliant, and it contains glycolic acid, because glycolic acid is made from sugar cane. And I'm going to be using some of the ingredients. This is a spa sugar scrub, this one, and this is my dark brown sugar cane sugar, and this is my coffee. This is oil, is already double boiled, and this is my exotic fruit. This oil contains carrot oil, lemon oil, little bit of lemon oil, which I measure like 50 ml of lemon. I don't want it to be too much. And also contain orange oil. These are amazing oil which you can Google to find the benefit. I don't want to talk too much because I don't want this video to be too long, so stay tuned as I go. So stay tuned as I take you on how I make my sugar scrub. So first I have to I'm gonna add my chunk sugar is going to dissolve. So now I'm still going to add more of the spark sugar I need. Then I'm going to add my main sugar as well. So I'm just going to pause this, and now I'm adding my secret ingredient. This is an amazing whitening ingredient that will help brighten up your skin, and just added it in on it. This I'm just going to share this, split it into 2 parts. So yep, so I split the stuff into 2. I'm just going to add my secret ingredient. This is an amazing body butter skin whitening cream, which will help boost the lightening potency in this scrub, and also give you that radiant, glowing, soft, smooth complexion that you want, and that's nice skin texture. The whitening additive in this, my secret ingredient, are giga white powder. It also has glutathione powder, kojic dip, because kojic dip doesn't oxidize, but kojic does oxidize, and we want this to last on the shelf for quite a while. It depends on how you mix your kojic acid as well. And also I've got snow white powder inside this. So, and this is how we want our, you can see, very fluffy, soft, And this is how you want your scrub to look like. I'm not sure yet. I'm still coming to the bits and bits I'm going to be adding to it, just showing you how your scrub is meant to look. So now I'm going to add this. This is my carrot juice. My carrot juice, you can see. I'm going to add it. Then add a bit to this. I'm just going to stir it into it and come back. So next I'm going to add my rice powder. This is 150 grams. Hold on, let me check. This is my electrical measurement. Yeah, this is my oat powder, which is 160. And this is 180. So I'm going to add 130 into here and 50 into here. So yeah. So I'm going to add the rice into here. So I'm going to add, this is 160, so I'm going to add 110 into here and then add 50 into here. I'm just going to measure it out. So I'm going to stir it into it properly and come back. And this is this coffee and then the turmeric. The turmeric powder you want to add, ensure you are adding the organic one that has a specific name. We have different type of turmeric powder. The one we use for cooking, and there's one that you can use to make your skincare product. So people get confused, people mix it up, so you have to be careful to know the right turmeric powder to use. Is it turmeric powder to use? So yeah, stay tuned. Right, yeah, I'm gonna pause this while I mix it, then I'm gonna use my stick blender to mix it. And now I just want to add my residue from my exotic fruit juice. So I'm gonna stir it into it. So I'm gonna cover it up. Once I'm through, I want to add a bit of whitening powder into it. My secret cream ingredient that I added in it has whitening additive. Well, because of the quantity I'm making, I'm gonna add some whitening additive as well, and then mix it, then cover it to allow it to dissolve. Before I cover it with the transparent bag, I'm gonna blend it with the hand blender. So I'm going to blend with the hand blender, then to mix it so that the whole ingredient in it can mix properly. The coffee, the chunk inside is going to dissolve properly inside as well. And yeah, that's it. Then this is available on my website. So if you want to place your order, go onto my website and go place your order. This scrub is an amazing scrub. It's a hot cake. It's hot cake on my site. It goes quickly. For people that have used it, they know the benefit and the result they got from it. This is when you apply this scrub, on your skin. You leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not abuse it. Just maximum is 20 minutes, minimum 15 minutes, so that the ingredient in it can work on your skin. You will have this soft, smooth, radiant, glowing complexion, and your complexion is going to be brightening. Within 7 days, you're going to see visible results on your skin. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload new video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.